It is the third day of Hannover Messe. Actually, before I coming to Hannover Messe, Mr. Michael of Schmersal told me that I should visit them because they are having a lot of new solutions. At Hannover this time, Schmersal is not just focusing on the products what they sell, the safety solutions what they give, but it is about more holistic approach of how safety can be implemented in your entire shop floor. That is what they are trying to display. So let's find out what they are doing and how it can help our Indian manufacturing, these new technologies. So we are having with us at Schmersal Mr. Ulrich, and he heads the sales of the safety system. So Ulrich, welcome to Machine Maker.
Yeah, welcome to our booth, Harry.
Yeah.
Nice to have you here.
So what is it that we can see at Schmersal this time at Hannover?
This year we have a different approach because in the past we only showed our components, our safety components to our customer, and on the Hannover Fair we will have a different approach, and this approach is that we want to show the industry segments where we are very strong into, and two of my industry managers will show you some machines with safety from the company Schmersal installed.
So this is something what we see most of the exhibitions or most of the places where we go. We know that there is a robot, industrial robot. Schmersal is there offering that safety part.
Yep.
So what is new in this here?
Here on this robot cell we have a time of flight camera there, which is brand new for us. So it is not a safety product, it's an automation product. But it's absolutely new for us, and it's also new technology for us. And we show our customer what they can see via the TOF camera, the time of flight camera, and that they have a 3D picture of what happens in the robot cell.
So how it helps? It is the time of digital transformation. So at least you are capturing those what's happening inside the industrial robots cell here.
Yeah.
So and how it can help the manufacturer better?
You can see exactly what happened in the robot cell, and for example you can have a collision protection, not for safety at the moment, but it can help that the robot will not crash into the material which is handled in the robot cell.
And this can be monitored anywhere?
This can be monitored everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yeah, everywhere.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
This is something new what Schmersal is bringing right now, and I think they are developing on it.
Yep.
Amazing.
Thanks. The next thing we can show you on this robot cell is, come with me, we have safety light curtains on the robot cell with a muting system, and normally when I bring my fingers into the light curtain it will stop automatically the movement of the robot, but here we mute the box and you see it will not stand still, and now it will pick up the box, the robot, and bring the box back to me.
So you are telling that you are making systems more intelligent.
Yep.
So that you don't waste your time.
Yeah, correct. Here's our responsible guy for this industry segment. It is Marcel Bogusch, and he is responsible for the logistic and the robot industry segment in our house. Yeah.
Hi Marcel.
Hi. Hi, nice to meet you.
How excited you are with this product here?
It's the first time that we show such a full application and not only components. Yeah, and it's a very, very nice application. Works very well. Yeah.
So the kind of improvements what you made in the robotic cell with safety, if you can give us some insights.
I explained the safety light curtain with the muting system on the robot cell. Yeah.
Okay.
That it detects if a box comes into the robot cell, or if I come with my finger into the robot cell, you see it stop automatically.
It stops.
Yeah. And when I push the box into it, it will
not.
still work.
Yeah,
it
still
will
not.
work. Yeah.
But humans,
Yeah, so-
it is sensing.
It is sensing, yeah. Yeah. We have here two muting sensors,
Okay.
which detects that there is a box
Okay.
and that there is no human.
Because
Yeah.
human, this is working, so you don't have to stop. You work.
Yeah.
So
it will
the machines are becoming more intelligent
Yep. Yep.
through the systems what Schmersal is bringing in.
It is safe on one side, yeah, but on the other side, we have the need from the customer that he has to put material into the cell. Yeah, that's the reason why they use our muting systems. This is really new. That he can show you how good the signal of the light curtain is.
So there is a new app what Schmersal is introducing now.
Yep.
So Marcel is showing that to us.
Takes a little moment. So if you come closer, you can see here where the light curtain is triggered. Yeah.
So this is a new app.
This is a new app. Yeah, you have communication via Bluetooth.
Okay.
And you have also some diagnostics data, and also you can see here which type of light curtain is used and so on.
So that's what I'm telling you. What I'm trying to understand is, we need to make our the people who are working in the shop floor more safe and more easy their life.
More easy.
And I think Schmersal is working very hard to bring those innovations to you. Thank you, Marcel, and
Thank you.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Very nice to have you here.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah. It's actually how many months?
I don't know. Last time we met in India, so it should be half year roundabout.
Yeah, 6 months.
6 months roundabout. Yeah, should be. So
Yes.
how are you, sir?
We are doing great, and thanks for inviting to Schmersal stall.
Real pleasure having you this time here in Germany on the Hannover Fair, right? One of the best fairs, hopefully, for us this year. And as you see, this time we have a different approach. We will more focus on the application side and our technical approach.
Or Technicum, which we spoke.
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
Yes, we did, right? And I can show you if you like to, right?
Yeah, please.
So as you see, right, we started as a hardware producer. Nowadays we are more driven by solution system and solution technicum. If you have a look here, our technicum branch is divided in 4 segments. We have one, the learning, the academy. Second, the safety consulting. The third one is engineering, and the last one is integration. And what we do nowadays as well, and most people are not aware of it, we really do full system integration. If you have a look over there, this kind of robotic cell, we do it by our own, all the installation, not only selling products, even the installation nowadays, which is a huge success of Schmersal nowadays.
So that's what it is, not about selling a product. It is
No, it's
about
even more selling a solution, an application, listen to the customer. And nowadays the customer are more aware of safety and have different requests. In the old days, we are looking for click-clack components, as I always say, right? But nowadays they really want a system and solution, which is a huge success here in Europe and also in India for sure.
So I have seen that couple of innovations what you introduced here, maybe launching later. So, and you are working the kind of the 3D images, the information what you are putting from the industrial robot system. So a lot of innovations.
It is totally, and one major focus is area protection. Nowadays everything goes via light curtains, laser scanner, but tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we are talking about 3D ToF, radar, ultrasonic, this new innovation we are working on, and you see everybody is, right? Because nowadays it's already in the automotive industry. If it's in the automotive industry, sooner or later it will be in the normal industry, and that's why we are working on it and pushing for it.
Wish you all the best for you, for Schmersal, and to do wonders, and come often to India.
Next time I will be in India in July, because our production site has celebration of 10 years. So
10
I will
years.
be there. So you have to come across as well.
We will sure do that.
Thank you.
So all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.